Making a PowerPoint presentation doesn't have to be hard work. Here are some presentation tips to get you going. Number 1. Don't forget the presentation basics. Your presenting role is to entertain, motivate, inspire, persuade, cajole or inform your audience. If the PowerPoint presentation software gets in the way of your main role, you shouldn't use it. Number 2. Go light on the bullet points. Bullet lists should summarize in 1, 2 or 3 words per bullet each of the points you want to make in your presentation. When you fill each bullet point with words, you run the risk of exhausting your audience. A few bullet points is all you need. Number 3. Go easy on the data. Yes, you have to show how you reach a conclusion or a recommendation, but you don't need to show all the data. A deluge of data projected onto the back wall of the meeting room is just not going to be read. Your presentation audience wants to scan the trends. They will seek anomalies and they want to know causes. Number 4. Use only 1 word where 2 might do. Keep your presentation material succinct, readable and indicative of all your main points so your audience can take it all in. PowerPoint supports superb graphics, image display and video. Use them instead of words on the screen. And lastly, number 5, don't read the slides. It shows that you are using the slides as a crutch. Reading from the screen prevents eye contact with your audience and you run the risk of blocking the audience's view. Worst of all, reading your slides suggests that you don't know your own presentation material. Audiences respect expertise and authority in their presenters. Reading your slides suggests need.